Welcome to our presentation on the commercialization cycle, where we explore the journey from innovative ideas to market success. In this presentation, we will cover the key stages of the commercialization cycle, including idea generation, market research, product development, marketing strategy, launch considerations, and post-launch review. Let's begin with an introduction to the commercialization cycle, a crucial process for transforming ideas into successful market products. Commercialization involves turning innovative ideas into marketable products or services. It's essential for business growth, enabling companies to monetize innovations and stay competitive. The commercialization cycle includes several key stages: idea generation, market research, product development, marketing strategy, launch considerations, and post-launch review. The first stage is idea generation, where creative solutions are conceived, drawing inspiration from various sources to address market needs. Ideas can come from internal sources, such as employee insights and brainstorming, or external sources, like customer feedback and market research. Evaluating ideas involves screening and feasibility analysis to ensure they align with business goals and are practical to implement. Next, we move to market research, a critical step in understanding the market landscape and informing product development. Market research includes competitive analysis and customer needs assessment to ensure products align with market demands and customer expectations. Surveys, focus groups, and data analytics are essential tools for gathering insights and making informed strategic decisions. Following market research, we enter the product development stage, where ideas are transformed into tangible products. Prototyping involves creating and testing versions of the product, using feedback to refine and improve the design. Final product design focuses on manufacturability, cost-effectiveness, and user-centered design principles to ensure quality and satisfaction. With the product ready, we develop a marketing strategy to effectively reach and engage our target audience. A go-to-market strategy includes identifying the target audience and positioning the product to meet their needs and preferences. Utilizing both digital marketing and traditional advertising channels helps to maximize reach and reinforce brand messaging. As we approach the launch, several considerations come into play to ensure a successful product introduction. Pre-launch activities include building anticipation through marketing campaigns and training the sales team to effectively promote the product. Successful launch execution involves monitoring performance and collecting feedback to optimize strategies and ensure ongoing success. In this section, we will focus on the post-launch review and iteration process, a crucial phase to ensure the product's success and continuous improvement. First, we analyze the market response by evaluating sales data. This includes metrics such as revenue, units sold, and growth trends to measure the product's performance against forecasts. Next, we conduct a thorough customer feedback analysis. This involves collecting and examining qualitative insights from customer surveys, reviews, and feedback forms to identify areas of improvement and satisfaction levels. Continuous improvement is key. We regularly implement product updates and enhancements based on user feedback and technological advancements to maintain competitiveness and relevance.